Check this out. Look at that snake slowly moving. It's good size. Very good size. There you go, last bit of the tail. Just sliding up and sliding into the long grass. Look how slowly it's moving. I don't know if it's heading in on something or it's just trying to... It's a cooler day, it's not cold. It's just a cooler day than we've had most of this summer. So it's probably decided it's got enough sun and it's just pulling up and tucking in amongst the grass just to hold some of that warmth in. Because yeah, you can see it's stopped now. So yeah, it's a good sized red belly black, this one down at the lake. You can see when you look past the tail, you see the width of it. It's, yeah, very good size. This one's pretty healthy and very much has a solid grip on this part of the lake. So there we go. Didn't expect to see one out so early and so quickly this morning, but it's their space. It's their space.